Good morning. Ready for our date?
Are you serious? It's pouring outside.
Don't worry. I am fully prepared.
How? We can't go to the park.
My plan is like an iron rod in the rain.
What? Do you mean Oni with an iron club?
No. I mean rain and metal. Invincible.
That is not a real saying.
I bought a huge steel umbrella for us.
A steel umbrella in a storm?
Yes. It's strong like a kanabo.
That is literally a lightning rod.
Wait, what do you mean?
Metal attracts lightning, genius.
But it makes us look strong.
It makes us targets.
Oh no. I hear thunder.
Throw it away immediately.
But it was expensive.
Do you want to die?
Okay, I dropped it. I'm running home.
So much for being invincible.